Okay, so I'm having an issue with my vacuum. When I turn it on, it turns backwards. And after a few seconds, it starts to beep 3 times. On the back, I found this little key here. It says 3 beeps, Robo Vax suction fan is stuck. So I'm gonna take off the back here, or the bottom, and see if we can see what's going on. Looks like it has 6 small Phillips head screws. So I pulled out the 6 screws. It's not quite coming apart. Something's still holding it together. So I pulled out 2 smaller screws inside the brush compartment. And now I'm going to go ahead and take out all these screws around the front. And hopefully that'll help me get in here. Okay, after pulling those screws out, this front bar came off, and then the top just basically popped right off. So I can see all the inside here now. There's one plug holding this top on, so I'm going to go ahead and unplug that. And there's another one under here. I'll go ahead and get that. Okay, got that one unplugged, and the gray wire's unplugged. Now it says stuck motor, so I'm assuming, oh, it said suction motor. So that's in here. So I'll pull off these screws here, and maybe we'll see something in here. Okay, I got there, and it appears to be turning just fine, so not really sure what's going on. I guess what I'm going to do is remove this circuit board so I can get to a little deeper in here and just see if I see anything else going on. Okay, it turns out there's another code for 3 beeps, and it's dirty drop-down sensors. So I didn't see anything wrong with the motor, so I took my compressed air, I blew the whole thing off. I don't know what a drop-down sensor is, but I blew the whole thing off. I'm going to put it back together and see what happens. I did drop a screw in this hole right here. I had to magnetize a little screwdriver to get it out, so be careful. Don't do that. Okay, I got it back together, turned it on, and I got a whole different code. It's 1 beep, solid red. It says the wheel is stuck. The wheel is stuck. I mean, it turns, but you see how it stops, and this one kind of spins for a second afterwards. So something's going on with this wheel here. So I'm gonna have to take a look at that and try to see what's going on. Okay. The motor was stuck. All I did was pull it out and kind of turn it by hand back and forth quite a bit. It still feels a little stiff, but it's not setting a code. It's working. So the first code, I think, was the sensors, and when I blew it off with the compressed air, I believe it took care of that. So there you go.